Welcome to this channel, guys. In today's video we're going to try this logo in PixelLab. Alright, before we get started, kindly click the subscribe button, click the like button and leave a comment. Tell me how you feel about this video, and also if you want me to create any video like that is you have any difficulty or any complication in PixelLab that you want me to do the video, so you can leave it in the comment section, because I will come to the comment section after this video. Alright, let's get started. So what we're going to do now is that I'm going to delete this. Yes, I don't need it. So what we're going to do now is that I'm going to bring out a shape. Alright, so this shape is going to be a circle shape. So the color is going to be white. Yes, exactly like this. So when you're done, you want to click on good. Let's resize it. I think this is okay. Alright, so what we're going to do next is that move to relative position, make sure that it's at the center. So after doing that, you do what? You copy it. So when you copy it, this one, the color of it is going to be what? It's going to be black color. So you click on good. So what we're going to do next, move to relative position and click on these two buttons, click on good, so that it's going to do what? Be at the center. All right, I think this is good. So the next thing that we're going to do, bring out a shape. This shape is going to be white color. Resize it like this. So let's click on good and resize it properly. Yes, we are getting it. Alright, now what you're going to do, move to relative position, ensure that it's at the center. Alright, this is good. Now the next thing that we're going to do, bring out another shape. The shape is going to be what? It's going to be black color. Click on what? Click on good. Now we need to resize it because we're going to put it here. You understand? Alright, so it's going to be here. So Alright, I think this is good. It looks nice like this. Alright, this is good. This is okay. Let's set it properly so that it's going to look nice. Okay, I think this is okay. I believe that you guys will do better than I. Alright, the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to merge all of them. So let's merge all of them. Yes. Alright, since we have merged all of them, move to what? Move to erase color, enable erase color, click on this pick button and pick the color. Alright, so now click on good, increase the tolerance to 70 and click on good. Now this is good. The next thing that we're going to do, bring out another shape, click on good. This shape, we're going to use it and merge this one so that the shape is going to be exactly like this. So let's merge two of them. Have you seen it? We have gotten our shape. Alright, this is good. We're almost done. The next that we're going to do, bring out a shape. This shape is going to be what? It's going to be star. So this is the shape that we're going to make use of now. Alright, move to stroke, increase the stroke. The stroke is going to be what? The stroke is going to be black color. Make sure that it's a curve. Let's increase the stroke. Alright. No, not the opacity, the stroke width. I'm sorry. Okay, ensure that you put the stroke to curve so that it's going to be it's going to have a curve edge. You understand? So putting in it here is not going to have a curve edge. It's going to have a sharp edge. This is going to have what? Also a very sharp edge which is pointed. So put it in here. Put it here so that it's going to be a curve edge. All right. So what are we going to do now is that we're going to resize it. Let's resize it and bring it over here. Alright, let's resize it and bring it over here. Alright, I think this is okay. Let's do what? Let's reduce the width. Let's reduce width. I think this is okay. I think this is nice. I believe you guys will do better than I. So when you are done, you do what? You click on what? You click on good. Alright, let's zoom in. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to do now is that we are going to what? We're going to make use of Bezier tool, which is this one. We're going to make use of Bezier tool. Alright, so this Bezier tool, this one is used to what? To add a node. If you want to add a node, you select this one. This one is what is used to edit your node. You understand? This one is what is used to move your shape around. Yes. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to edit our nodes. So let's edit the node. So this one is going to be over here, this one is going to come over here. All right, so let's set it properly the way it's going to be. So this one is going to be over here. All right, so with this one now, let's add a node. We add a node there. All right, we add it here, we add it here. Now we're going to close it. If you want to close it, you do what? You click on here, you close the node. All right, so what we're going to do next is that we're going to edit it by selecting this one. So let's edit this Bezier tool now. So this one is going to be over here. You move it in, you bring this one up, you move it in again, move it in like this, move it in like this. Okay, so this one now is going to be, I'm sorry, this angle is going to be inside like this. Okay, this one is going to be inside too. I believe you guys will do better than I. All right, so this one is going to be over here. Okay, this one is going to be like this, and this one is going to come inside. This one is going to be like this, this one is going to come inside. Okay, this one is going to be like this. This one is going to be over here. This is okay. So what are we going to do now? You move to fill color, you enable it, is going to be black color. Move to stroke, remove the stroke, or rather let's increase the stroke. Okay, I think 2 is okay, or 3. All right, let's click on good. Let's zoom out and see how it looks. Wow, this is good, we got it. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to bring out another Bezier tool. We're going to bring out another Bezier tool. All right, let's zoom out, let's zoom in. Okay, so this Bezier tool now, we're going to remove the node. So after removing the node, you click on this one and bring it over here. All right, so when you bring it over here, it's going to come out at the top. So from the top now, you click on add node. Let's zoom in and see what we're doing very well. All right, so we're going to add node. We're going to add node over here. You can select here. Okay, let's disable the zoom level. So you click here, you select here, you select here, you select here. Now you do what? You close it. Since we have closed it, you click on this node, which is the editing one, so that we'll be able to edit these nodes. So let's edit the nodes. So this curve is going to curve very well. This one is going to be like this. This one is going to come inside. I'm sorry. So this one is going to come inside like this. This one is going to come inside. This one is going to be like this. Right, just watch and see the way I'm doing it. I believe you can do it better. Okay, so from here, this one is going to come inside from here. Okay, so this one is going to come up. Okay, I think this is good. I think it's getting better. I think it's getting better. Okay, I think it's getting better. I think this is good. I think this is good. Let me bring this one inside from here. Okay, now let's put the color in black color and click on good. Let's zoom out and see how it looks. Nice, this is good, this is good. So let's zoom in. So what we are going to do now is that I made a mistake. So the star, the width of the star, I think I'll have to do what? Reduce the width. The width is too much, so let's reduce the width, maybe 18 or 19. I think it's okay like this. All right, so now let's mesh all of them and remove the black color. Now after that, after we have meshed all of them, you move to what? Erase color. You enable erase color. Use the color picker and there, pick the black color, increase the tolerance, and do what? And click on good. I think this is okay. I believe you guys will do better than I. The next thing that we're going to do, bring out another shape. Yes, so this shape we're going to use it and merge it with it. Let's merge it with it. Alright, since we have merged two of them, now let's do what? Let's move to color. What we're going to do, move to color, enable color. So move to gradient. Alright, so choose this color. So from here you select this color. So we need to add a gradient over there. So this one is going to be white color entirely. Okay, so do what? Put it in like this. Select the color, click the plus sign. Select the color again, click the plus sign, bring it close. Select the color, click the plus sign. Reduce it. Alright, I think this is good. So when you're done, click on well, click on good. So let's rotate it well. Alright, I think this is okay. So when you're done, click on what, click on good. So let's resize it and bring it over here. Alright, now the next thing that we're going to do, bring out a text. You can write anything that you want to write. Alright, let's change the font. Move to fonts. So we're going to make use of this font, alright, this one. So let's make use of this font. You click on what, click on good. Let's increase the size. Let's resize it. So when we resize it, you do what? Move to color, move to gradient. So it's going to be this gradient, the one that you used before. Do what? You click on good. Alright, let's do what? Let's move to spacing. Let's reduce it. Alright, I think -3 is okay. You click on what? Click on good. Okay, I think this is good. So what we are going to do next is that we need to change the background color. Click here, click from gallery, you click on what? Click on good. So let's resize it. Let's resize it well. Okay, now the next thing that we're going to do is that click here, move to vignette, enable vignette. You understand? So when you enable vignette, just let it be like this. I think 112 is okay. You do what? You click on good, move to contrast, increase the contrast. Just increase the contrast like this so that it's going to appear very well. I think this is okay. You click on what? Click on good, move to brightness and you reduce it. Reduce the brightness. I think this is okay. You do what? You click on good, move to contrast again, increase the contrast. I think it's getting too much. This is okay. You do what? You click on good. Now the next thing that we're going to do, that I want you guys to do now, is that select this one and do what? Move to what? Move to emboss, enable it. Alright, so that's going to be like this. You need to do some settings over here. You need to do some settings over here. Okay. Alright, I think this is okay. So when you are done, you do what? You click on good. Now what we're going to do, move to shadow, enable shadow. The shadow is going to be black. Increase the blur, reduce the offset. The offset is going to be minus. This one is going to come down like this. All right, let's reduce the blur, reduce. Okay, so this one is going to be, let's say -4. It's okay. Okay, I think 17 is good. So when you're done, you click on what? You click on good. You select this one. When you select this one, you do what? You move to what? Move to emboss. You enable it. So the light is going to be like this. You set it. We reduce this one. You click on what? You click on good. Now what we're going to do, move to what? Move to shadow, enable the shadow. So the the y axis is going to bring it down like this. Alright, I think this is good. So I think this is good. When you are done, you do what? You click on good. Alright, so did you see how it's done? Alright, when you are done, so the next thing that you're going to do, you do what? You move to noise, you enable the noise. So let's add some effect. You increase it to 100. Yes, you reduce this one to 2. I think this is okay. I think this is okay. Let's make it look more realistic. I think this look much better. How do you see it, guys? So when you are done, you do what? You click on good. The next step we're going to do, click on save as image. So make sure that you put it in ultra. From here, make sure that it's in ultra, and do what? And click on save to gallery. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, leave a comment, tell me that you love it. Alright, see you soon, have a great day.